Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Lockheed Martin advances AI-enabled Aegis system to counter drone threats with faster real-time radar adaptation. Lockheed Martin said it is advancing artificial intelligence capabilities within the Aegis combat system to improve detection of emerging threats. The system is designed to continuously learn from operational data and refine performance in real time. The Aegis combat system adapts through mission experience, improving its ability to detect and track targets. It also enhances radar accuracy by accounting for environmental factors and distinguishing between real threats and false signals. The goal is to provide U.S. Navy operators with a clearer and more reliable picture of the battle space. This enables faster and more confident decision-making during operations. Previously, updates to the system required software changes that could take weeks or months to complete. These updates involved extensive certification and testing to ensure operational safety and cybersecurity. Engineers from Lockheed Martin and the U.S. Navy developed an AI-based approach to address these limitations. The system now integrates machine learning directly into each Aegis-equipped platform. This approach allows the system to learn and adapt without requiring major software upgrades. Updates that once took months can now be completed in days or even hours. The new AI tools are designed to address evolving threats such as drones and advanced cruise missiles. These threats require more flexible detection and response capabilities than traditional ballistic missile defense systems. Machine learning algorithms enable the system to improve detection accuracy and track complex target movements. The system can also help determine the most effective defensive response. Mission data is processed using offboard AI analysis at Lockheed Martin's AI Center. The results are used to update system parameters known as weights files, improving radar performance and threat identification. This process significantly reduces the time needed to refine system performance. Tasks that previously required weeks of manual analysis can now be completed within hours. Lockheed Martin and the U.S. Navy are working to move data processing capabilities directly onto ships. This would allow the system to update and adapt at near real-time speeds during operations. The company is developing a deployable mission kit to support onboard processing. This includes integrated hardware, processors, and software required for autonomous data analysis. The enhanced capability is intended to ensure the system remains effective against rapidly evolving threats. The Aegis combat system is expected to continue adapting as new operational data becomes available. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.